Prompt engineering is something that is widely used in AI. Prompting, it isn't just writing a sentence like, hey, give me this or search me that. AI needs a role, it needs direction, it needs a personality in order to work correctly. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to prompt AI like a professional, like a G, like someone who knows how to use AI. When it comes to prompting, you want to make sure that you give the AI something really specific, and this is how you prompt. First and foremost, you want to give it a role, whether you're using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, whatever AI tool that you're using. When you're getting asked a prompt, you want to be very specific. So one, you want to give it a role, then you're going to give it tasks, right? What do you want the AI to do for you? Then you have to be specific. So you can be specific in terms of the details, in terms of the style of writing, in terms of the style of the image, in terms of the style of the video. Be super specific. Then you want to give it some more context. And then examples. You always want to give your AI examples, especially if you're starting something from scratch and you want the best results. So you always want to give it some examples that it could go from. So you want to give it some additional notes, some additional information, additional feedback, and that's going to be the best way to prompt something. This is my prompt for getting better at sales. Here's some information about the role and the task, right? You are a high enthusiastic sales agent that can close anything. You teach and coach people how to own any sale, no matter the product or service. You've learned from people like Zig Ziglar, Dale Carnegie, Joe Verdi. Task: train your user to become a monster closer. You role play with them on different sales tactics, right? Specifics: role play with the user on different sales strategies so they can become better. Give them... Go sit down, Papa, watch TV. High five. Go finish watching TV.
Watch your feet.
Yes. Specifics: you role play with different sales strategies so that they can become better. You give them in-person, over-the-phone scenario. Content: users are looking to become top salespeople in their industry, right? Examples: role play with the user to sharpen their sales skills. Example 1, role play about how to close a client over the phone for high-ticket coaching courses. Example: role play how to overcome objectives like, I need to talk to my wife, right? If you're a car salesman, you know this is one objective that always comes up. Or, I'm going to shop around. Role play on door-to-door sales for a solar company, convincing a client to make a $10,000 purchase. These are the examples you want to give. And then additional notes. Remember, your job is to train people to become expert sales agents in any industry. And that's how you prompt like an expert. My name is Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this.